Hey everyone, welcome to my new mini vlog, and I am sitting outside with my plants, and you can see plant. Look at this flower. What is called this plant? I don't know, but it is blooming very beautifully. You can see. What is called this plant? I don't know. You know? Do you know this plant? And do you know what is called this plant? Please, if you know about this plant, so please tell me what is called this. This is hibiscus plant. You know very well about this plant. And this is holy basil plant. Look at this, how it is growing beautifully.